Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Vitalum token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Vitalum is a healthcare intelligence platform built on Binance Smart Chain that integrates artificial intelligence and blockchain to support secure medical data management and clinical decision making. The platform is designed to unify fragmented healthcare system by enabling encrypted permission data storage and AI-driven diagnostic insights. Vitalum supports interoperability across imaging, diagnostics, telehealth, and treatment workflows while maintaining transparency and auditability through decentralized infrastructure. The VAM token underpins ecosystem participation, including access mechanism, staking incentives, and governance alignment within the platform's healthcare network. Vitalum token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 339.71 million VAM token. VAM token is listed on Bitmart, Bikenomy.com and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.